This is my topic, the effectiveness of Ayurveda. But I made 3 case studies for para malaman natin kung talagang effective po yung Ayurveda sa Pilipinas. Then ito po yung present na ni father ng patient. A senior citizen, may problema sa vision, hindi makakita. And then talagang kahit ba na-agrantera siya. Pero after nun, na-meet ko siya, sabi ko, can I take your picture? Kasi nakita ko, nakikipag-usap sa akin, nakikipag-araw niya ako, maliwanag din yung paningin niya. True Father's, therapy, meron siyang pampatak dyan, pero meron pa siyang in-inventong pampatak talaga para gumanda yung vision ng patient. So, sana masubukan niyo kung meron kayong kilala na meron problema sa mata, kaya na isip po ni Father yun. With this new invention po yun. At meron pa po yung sa 9-year-old patient na hindi makakita ng sasakyan, even yung color hindi makita. Pero after the treatment kay Father, she can count the cars na dumadaan, pati yung color sila sabi niya, red, yellow, blue, na sabi niya pala. From a 9-year-old patient po sa kanya. So conclusion, Ayurveda offers effective evidence-based treatments for chronic disorders like rheumatoid osteoarthritis, holistic approach combining herbs, diet and lifestyle, addresses the root cause of diseases. Ayurvedic interventions can be a safe and effective alternative or complementary therapy. So final thought, these studies are part of growing body of scientific evidence supporting the traditional wisdom of Ayurveda. Ito po yung ginagawa kay Father, yung steam bath. Meron po siya sa kanya mismo sa Ayurveda niya. Medicated steam bath opens up pores of skin, increase the absorption of medicated oil, expel toxins through pores of skin. Ito yung ginagawa kay Father. Massage also done. Therapy for stroke and paralysis. Meron kayong may stroke, pwede niyo po ginagawa kay Father. Ideal for general weakness, rejuvenation process. Ito yung ginagawa sa Sunday Ayurveda. In the head massage, excellent relaxation therapy, improve circulation of scalp, good for hair growth, treatment for dandruff. So nakakatulong din po kung meron yung headache, nakakatulong din po yan, yung head massage. Pagdayanan, leg fit. Ito pwede nyo gawin sa husband or wife nyo, maganda po ito. Give relaxation to tight leg muscles. Reflexology massage involved, so good for general health. Improves blood circulation. So, if reflexology po siya, so even kahit ano pong disease, pwede pong marulak niya. Pwede niyang maayos po. Even pregnancy massage, reduce back pain in pregnancy period, improves blood circulation of leg, which is stress, and then relaxation. Hindi lang po sa buntis, pati sa bata. Special oils are used for massage of babies and children. Health benefits are same as adult massage, good for digestion and health of children. Pwede din po gamitin sa babies. And sa mga anak na pataas ng 10 pababa. Ito po yung special treatments. The Januvasti, special treatment for knee problems. The Kati Wasti, special treatments for low back ache. So, bawat pong diseases, bawat pong pain, meron pong iba't ibang ginagawa sa Ayurveda na procedures na ginagawa. So, different problem, dapat makapag-consult muna kayo kay Father Jacob. Okay, naglibaba. Special treatments for hair problems, psoriasis, dandruff, mental problems, special treatment for cervical spondylosis, neck and shoulder pain. So, yung para sa lahat ng pain and psoriasis. beauty therapies, Ayurveda face massage, Ayurveda face scrub, Ayurveda face pack, Ayurveda body scrub, and Ayurveda medicated tub bath. Pag ginagawa ko yan sa Santi Ayurveda. Tapos we have a pending application din po kay kasukalan po yung former Director General kay Dr. Anabel na nagpasa po kami ni Father ng reversal of the diabetes. But kasi kailangan po namin muna magkaroon ng isang lugar si Father na parang pinakamalaki para magawa namin yung clinical studies about sa diabetes, yung reversal po. Pero sabi ng dito pa Anabel, we're waiting for your proposal ni Father para at least, kasi wala pa sa Pilipinas po ng clinical studies ng journal para sa Ayurveda. So, they're waiting for the clinical studies. So, ayun lang po. Maraming salamat po.